Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
We have another one. I want to write it down first. Now, this one is also two-letter words. Our hand. Ọwọ́. 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 Your hands. Ọwọ́. 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 Remi, 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 Ọwọ́. I've told you that this is re. It's not going to carry any sign. Ọwọ́, Remi, our hand. Ọwọ́, Remi. And this one is a time in Yoruba land. Ọwọ́. A time. Ọwọ́. Dodo. Ọwọ́. 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 Dodo. Ọwọ́. Dodo. You put it like this. You could remember I said that's less than, greater than, less than, greater than. Ọwọ́. Dodo. And this one we call it broom. Broom in Yoruba. Ọwọ́. Broom. Ọwọ́. 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 Redo. Ọwọ́. And this one you can still use it for to honor somebody. Respect. They said that they give the person respect. Ọwọ́. Respect also. It has meaning of respect or honor, to honor somebody, to respect somebody. So it's still the same thing. Ọwọ́. You say I give you respect. Ọwọ́. So this one is redo. Ọwọ́. The broom we are using to sweep. Redo. Ọwọ́. Now let's call it again now. Ọwọ́. Hand. Ọwọ́. Hand. Ọwọ́. Hand. Dodo. Ọwọ́. Dodo. Ọwọ́. Dodo. Ọwọ́. Dodo. Ọwọ́. Or respect. A tongue. Redo. Ọwọ́. Redo. Ọwọ́. Is a broom. Redo. Ọwọ́. And it's also a two-syllable. A two-syllable. Now, I also have another one which is going to be number 3.